Hello! I'm here to show a new change we have to our Plots web view in the VS Code DVC extension. So we used to have this section called Trends, and it has been replaced by the section we called Custom. So this Custom section allows you to create different types of linear plots based off your chosen params and metrics. We have a metric versus param plot, which compares a metric and a param across different experiments in the table. And we have a checkpoint trend plot. These checkpoint trend plots are only enabled if you have DVC live checkpoints enabled in your project. And it compares how a metric changes across different iterations in your selected experiments. You can add as many plots as you need or delete plots if needed. And I think that about summarizes it. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this product update video, please like and subscribe. Thanks, Stevie. And feel free to post comments and questions below. On our YouTube channel, we share videos on product updates, tutorials, and how members of our community use our tools as they solve problems in their domains spanning a wide variety of fields in the machine learning and AI space. Don't miss out on any of it. See the description below to find links in the docs for our tools. They are an excellent resource for getting started. Also visit our blog where you can find tutorials on our tools as well as product and company news. Join our Discord server to get support, help others grappling with the same issues as you, connect with other like-minded folks, and discuss our tools or other topics in the MLOps space. It's a great way to learn and get to know others worldwide who share your interests. We also have a job channel where you can find relevant job opportunities in the space. Finally, if you're really serious about taking your MLOps skills to the next level, we offer a free online course that is designed to help you understand the iterative philosophy and achieve your MLOps goals. Our mission at Iterative is to deliver the best developer experience for machine learning teams by developing an ecosystem of open, modular ML tools. Thanks for making it to the end. Devi and I will see you in the next video.